Hi all, this is Sindhu Priya of Computer Science Department. Me, a student of third year studying at Geetam Bengaluru. Now, I will be interacting with our final year student who is a job holder at Musigma. He is Pavan and he belongs to CSE department. So come on, let us see how his views are towards Geetam and how he did his achievements to achieve a placement. Yeah, hi, how are you?
I'm fine, and how about you?
Yeah, I'm good. So we had a lot of holidays, unexpected holidays. So how is this quarantine going on?
It's actually good to have holidays like this because we don't know whether we'll have these kind of holidays in future also.
Yeah.
So it's going pretty well because we have a lot of time to spend with our family and friends, and we can learn or acquire some new skills. So it's actually helpful, and also some it's regretful that I couldn't spend much time in college in my last days in my college. That's
Yeah. Yeah, before getting into this formal kind of interview, I should congratulate you since you have jobs like two players and you choose to be a part of Musigma. So first of all, heartily congratulations to you. And then, so you're a part of Musigma. So how do you feel like being a part of Musigma?
it's pretty exciting to be a part of New Sigma because we get a lot of new things to learn, and the thought about New Sigma is fail fast and learn fast. It's actually good thought which can inspire anyone's life. So I think it will be a more exciting journey and an adventure in my career by joining New Sigma.
Yeah. So, like many of us, mostly I can tell we people, we always feel like whenever we qualify written test for any company, we feel the later rounds are just a cakewalk for us. So, is this true and how will you justify this?
It's true for some extent because without cracking the first round, you can't go further. So, I why I said I can agree for some extent is the cracking the first round will boost up your confidence for a next round. So after facing the HR or the technical person, whoever is in front of you, everything depends upon yourself. That is whatever the skills you have acquired or the knowledge you have and your ability to answer anything and your logical skills, these matter a lot.
So, okay, you tell it. Yeah, fine. And how do you cope up with the trending technologies? What did you do for this trending technologies?
For these trending technologies, I have been training from my third year. From the starting of my third year, I have been through various courses like Java development and full stack development. But I never imagined that I will be placed in an analytical company, which is totally opposite to development.
Yeah.
So must all keep it in mind that the fact which is true today, which may not be true tomorrow. So we have to cope up with everything, and we have to get moving.
Yeah, so true. So you being a CSC student, everyone of us, like most of the CSC and whatnot, even other branches think it as programming. Oh no, it's a hard shell to crack. So what is your word on this programming or coding?
Uh, Programming is just like learning a new language. I'm a Karnataka student basically.
Yeah.
So being with my friends and other others, I gradually learned this language, and my English was terrible with my first year.
Okay.
So with practice, I improved these things. And coming to the coding or programming, it is same as learning a new language. Once you get to know the language, it's everything is like putting your thoughts into actions. Like um, what what you think, you will write in your mother tongue or English in any language. So its coding is like using languages like C, C++, or whatever choice of yours.
Yeah, fine. Very well said, actually. Then for more interactive, no, it's like at least let you tell something like from the first year, and now you being an achiever of getting a placeholder in a Mu Sigma. Just briefly tell how was your journey from first year to fourth year.
The journey was, you can say, like it was a adventurous journey because
Yeah.
um, you get to evolve yourself from the first year. Uh, when I compare my first year and third year, I think I have changed a lot. I can sense my change with the view I have towards anything now, and when I compare to few things in my first year and all. So because of my family friends who are around with me, I get to change and we got a proper direction to which path to take and whatever the correction marks. So I used to get a continuous
Year to the fourth year being a achiever, you're holding a job with you. So just tell us how your journey was with Geetam.
It's a pretty exciting journey in Geetam because I got to know some new things about the world because since from till 12th of my 12th class I was in a hosteler, so I didn't know much about the outside world. So coming to Geetam, I got a much more broader perspective about the outside world and what we are going to face after we graduate from the college and many more lessons about our life. So this has motivated me a lot for achieving the position I am now, and various feedbacks from our faculties and my friends. Um, they used to continuously motivate me because you can say that uh, a personality of a person depends upon his friend circle and all. So my friend circle was it was so good that it helped me in every aspect, like how I should be in my life and how I should move on with my career, and if I fail in my career, and what should I do next. So I had courage with me because I knew that if the way I'm going is doesn't succeed, I can I have ability to um, carry my life and maintain my life because of the knowledge I have. So these are all the valuable gifts I got from people.
Yeah. Like due to this corona, do you think like it'll affect the job sector or something like will it affect or okay it's gonna be the same?
I don't think that it will affect greatly because a company like Amazon has recently hired 2 lakh employees during this quarantine time in order to meet their responsive customer needs. And because nowadays most of the companies are going online and sharing their data on it through internet, I think there will be much more needs for job roles like cybersecurity specialists and uh, digital marketing interns since the companies are changing their strategies.
Yeah.
So I think the job market will remain the same.
Okay. And soon you're going to leave Geetam. Anyhow, you're already done with your exam, so you have to leave Geetam the some other day. And so, what is the one thing you'll miss from Geetam soon after you leave Geetam and you no longer you're a Geetamite?
One thing I miss the most is my student life
Hmm.
because once I start my career, there is no way that I can come back to Geetam for studying my life because
True.
um, after the graduate, we all think that we are gonna meet and we'll have the party something like that. But most of us move on with our own way of life and taking care of my life. So I kind of miss the life when I was in college.
So you miss the student life. Yeah. Then is there something that you really wanted to tell the juniors to follow regarding placements or life? It can be anything. The one thing you always need to tell juniors something.
There are a lot of things to say our juniors because um, it's good to have some motivation in order to achieve anything great. So I just want to say that to say our juniors that start. I want them to start their each day with some or the other thing and accomplish something which may help in their future. And mm, become a great learners and never leave a day idle and analyze yourself at the end of the day. And the main important thing is find someone who can guide you to the future, because we are not the masters of everything. So it is necessary to find a role model or a guide or a teacher who can help us to lead a better future. And we know that life is not there for everything. It may have ups and downs. The person who was shining like a star may fall down at any time. So have some courage and take risks in life. So it will help you to build courage. You may not have the success at an instant, but sooner or the later you will shine like a star for sure.
Yeah, true words. Then finally, maybe a beautiful memory that anything you wanted to share with us.
Memories, actually, we have a lot of memories when we were with friends. The way we used to tease each other and the way we used to make fun of us. And once we were caught in the class while having tiffin lunch.
Okay.
We managed to cover with our faculty that it was the smell from a nearby canteen. So, and there are many things like that.
So you had fun. Yeah, so it was very beautiful talking to you. And first of all, very thanks. Like you spent some time for us. Thank you for that. Have a great life, the same like this. Thank you so much.